Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Kita bisa terluka.
Tapmalina! Luigi, Guido, che bello rivedervi! Bentornati, amici!
Oh, man! Whoever does the voice of that piggy truck, I'm telling you, he's one...
One, two, three! Our winner!
Who'll be jamming now? McQueen and Sally, park beneath the cake. K-I-S-S.
I asked my uncle once how I'd know when it was time to stop. You know what he said?
La grúa dijo recto, ¿cierto? Correcto. Recto. I haven't gone this fast in years. I'm gonna blow a gasket or something. Thanks for the help, Corporal. Anything for one of Poc's mates.
so much for having us, Sir Axel.
You think I quit?
Man, Ramon will paint you up right. Hey, anything you want. You know, like the flame job.
Of course, you got to start back in minimum wage and you lost all your vacation time. Got to go through orientation.
But please.
Once you acquired the taste for...
Then how come I can do this?
Oh, man, please!
Parts dealer in Paris, a treacherous lowlife, but he's the only car in the world who can tell us whose engine this is.
And Mac, look, it'll be easy. I'll stay up with you. All night? All night long.
Triple speed. Ho ho! Francesco likes this McQueen. It's a really...
Mama is right here.
Mama! Don't worry, Mama! McQueen...
I hereby dub thee Sir Toe.
I put McQueen in there. Give you some real competition.
You good?
I've been kind of lonely. Nobody to hang out with. I may accept the Dynaco folks.
Word, sweet pea. My baby Ramon can get that fixed up for you in no time.
Yeah, sure thing, man. No problem.
Tire. He's been Dynaco's golden boy for years. Can he win them one last piston cup?
It does sound a bit far-fetched.
Ollie, what are you doing here?
Hello, Nathan.
You can't grip! You are loser!
To drive.
Nah. valuable dent? Oh, she's as crazy as Mater.
Those two are perfect for each other.
I'm not the only one seeing this, right?
Incoming!
Whoa,
Long on this track!
Yes, I
Fare con me, duda, duda, macchinine con tante rotine, o da duda de.